Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is about getting rid of the scary alerts that claim to be the message from Apple support. Some other versions of these pop-ups may also indicate that they are related to Microsoft or Windows support, depending on your operating system. But no matter what types of pop-ups like that you see, keep in mind that these are fake alerts. They are not any real security warnings. They are not related to Apple and they are not related to Microsoft either. These pop-ups, as I said, quote this fake Apple support number +1 805 291 8081. You should not trust these deceptive and fake alerts. They are not related to Apple, and likewise they are not associated with Microsoft, so do not trust these fake alerts. The only correct conclusion is to leave this deceptive page. I also recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com, so download the software, install it, and begin researching the system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and eliminate other threats.
After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.